Buddy, it's Farrell Lafferty here with Holly Love. It's the truckee at the Hot Rockin' 4. So, what do you think, Holly? Look at that big dually right there coming up at us.
That's pretty cool.
That's Ogden City Fire Department.
Ooh, I'm excited for this one.
Which one do you think is going to go over? I'm going to predict number 21 is going to end up on its lid.
You're going to think it's going to roll over?
Yeah, I think a truck is going to roll, but I'm going to bet on 21.
I think you're probably right. And then maybe the fire truck after that, just because those are the tallest.
That's why I'm guessing, because it's so tall, but you never know.
151.
And as the truck set them down,
151.
That one might roll over.
Yeah, they're tall. Obviously, the officials are out dinking around. They can't.
Moving around the arena, moving the asphalt around. We have to thank those guys.
I don't know what's going on. There seems to be a delay. Something about the officials. I think he used fence post to make his roll bar 21Z. All right, here we go.
Next year on the truckee, let's make some noise. Let's get it now in 5, 4, 3.
All right, here we go. We're all kind of scared to hit each other, it looks like.
I know.
There we got to hear from the Ogden City Fire Department truck.
There we go. Oh, 79 took a hit.
I think what they need to do is have a bunch of fire trucks next derby. That'd be a good idea.
Like the big boys?
Yes. Like 21's going to try to climb the wall. I told you he was going over first.
I like the black JD one. I can't see a number on it. It's
number
all
2.
like dented up.
The white one's 2. I can't see the number on that either.
I know. Oh, we got a pile up, Farrell.
Yeah, they're going to go ahead and, well, maybe 21's not going to go over, but he's not going to go anywhere, it looks like.
Yeah, they got him pinned in there.
Number 2, he's just kind of, that's why he's got a broken tire out, it looks like.
Oh, there we go.
He can't do much.
I know, I was wondering why is he just sitting
Here
there?
comes 151, going to let him have it.
Oh, wow.
He's going to try to push him right out of the arena. If he comes for another big hit.
Oh,
let's
wow.
see.
These guys are awesome.
Yeah, he's lining up. The thing about these trucks is they only got to do one heat, so they can let it all hang out, you know? Oh, I thought he was going to let him have it, but he didn't. That is probably the biggest truck I've ever seen run, that Ogden Fire Department truck.
Really?
Oh, that was a nice hit. Oh, he got a fire.
How did that happen?
I don't know. He's on fire.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Probably the fire department caught on fire. How ironic is that?
Wow.
Now, I've seen that happen before, and more than likely it was a transmission.
So how did it get inside the cabin?
Because what they'll do is they'll cut a hole. You know, you have your transmission hump in your car.
Yep.
Okay. What they'll do, instead of having it up on the column,
Yep.
they'll cut a hole in their transmission and they'll run a bar that goes straight, so you just got back and forth. You don't have to worry about first gear and all that. And a lot of times those trannies will break, and it will, they burn hot. They're hard to catch on fire, but when they do catch on fire, they go up and they're hot.
Wow.
So that would be my guess, that it's a tranny.
Put your feet up.
So.
Wow, I hope he's okay. I guess if he's a fire guy.
Yeah, he's walking around. He's got a fire suit on, but it gets pretty hot. Transmission fires are pretty scary.
They're going to check him out, ladies and gentlemen. How about a big round of applause? These guys putting on a show for you guys. They're putting their lives on risk.
So how often do you drive in one of these things?
I haven't driven for a number of years, actually. A lot of times we just do trucks or mini cars. I've ran those before. I have ran the big cars, but just if I have a car and I've got the time to build one, I'll go out there.
What does it take to build one besides an old junker you don't care about?
Well, you need you see they got the straps on the hoods going down to the bumpers to hold the bumpers on. You really don't need a lot other than a good welder and a cutting torch, really. But there are some tricks you can do and some welding you can do and things you can do to make your car a lot stronger than it normally would be.
Car?
I remember back probably 20 years ago, they used to just chain the doors shut and go for it.
Well, I bet bet it would be more exciting that way. A lot more fires and a lot more radiators bursting.
A lot more bent metal for sure. These cars are built, and these guys know what they're doing. I mean, a lot of people make fun of these guys. You know, they're just rednecks, just out there building cars. They're not. They know what they're doing. They're engineers practically. I mean,
ladies and gentlemen, as the
Well, it is surprising how few the dents are when they leave. I mean, you'd think it would be a lot more banged up. So what do they do to the body? Do they put some kind of casing in there to make it stronger?
no, there's just things you can do. Ways you can fold the metal. If you see the hoods will have bolts in them, you can fold those down. They'll cut fenders out. If you see the trucks, I'm not exactly sure why they wedge the back of the trucks like that. I would assume it's so it doesn't bend as easy.
2005 or 1975.
Interesting.
And we're off and running again.
All right.
And they're just brutal to that poor Suburban over there. They're not giving him any.
That poor guy is just stuck.
He must have questioned the other one's manhood or something. That number 2, if he didn't have a broken tie rod, he would be tearing it up, but he's
Still trucking. No pun intended.
yes. Oh!
Almost.
Now he's hung up on him.
Giving 2 guys a ride, 3 guys a roll.
Oh. That was pretty interesting. All 3 of them were hooked up.
Yeah, that was cool.
Full throttle, heavy metal action.
Oh, that was a good hit by number 2. Poor 21Z, he's just getting hammered. Oh, that was a door hit. He's complaining about it. Let's see what the officials say. Don't seem like the officials called it.
Yeah, all the cars, like all the big trucks, fold the back end down. I wonder why.
Yeah, just a way to wedge it, I guess, to make it stronger. I'm not really sure.
So when you're backing into someone, it's a tougher hit.
Yeah, it makes it stronger.
All
You
right.
think it would be like a ramp or something to drive up on?
I know.
That's what I would assume.
What kind of a car or a truck is that black one that we can't see the number on?
It's a Suburban, I'm assuming. Yeah, it's probably a Suburban.
I can't figure out what it once looked like.
A Suburban, or as I like to call them, a Mormon assault vehicle.
Well, I'd rather have a Suburban than, like a van, I guess.
Yeah, minivans aren't cool.
Some of them are pretty cool with those automatic doors. I could see why you get into them.
Yeah. No, that definitely is a Suburban. He's just taken and folded the back door down, kind of like how the trucks are wedged.
Yeah.
If you look when he comes around, he just put his back door down.
Oh, that was a good hit.
That was a good hit.
Well, now he's smoking, so his radiator must have burst.
Yeah, a lot of times when you see the big burst up in the air, it's just a radiator. It looks dramatic, but like that right there. It looks dramatic, but
That's awesome.
You got to live it when more official shows up.
Well, now we just have a giant pile.
yeah, look at that brown truck
Except
number.
for 84.
Is he
He's like,
84?
woohoo!
Oh yeah. Now, with any luck, he's gonna just drop the hammer right here and let him have it.
Uh-oh,
see what he
nothing's
does.
happening.
There he goes.
Why would he reverse?
And let him have it.
Why doesn't he turn around and go after it front?
Because they've got that truck wedged, so it's stronger in the back than it is the front. You have to protect your front end. If you can't look at his front tire's locked up though. So he might have to go forward.
Here we go. Now he's going to go after
Now
it,
he's gonna go
heading
after it
forward.
forward.
Maybe. I don't know. He's like hitting the...
Looks like he's trying to
Wait.
help his buddy off the wall there is what it looks like to me.
Back over here at 21.
Yeah.
That guy's happy he came out today.
He's got a ringside seat. He got the best seat in the house.
I know.
We got 3 again.
I bet there are a lot of 4-letter words coming out of that.
And not one of them's Ford.
No.
Oh, here he goes. Why'd he just stop? Unless he died or something. He must have, his front tire is just like a plow on the number 2 truck. Here comes 79.
Do you think he picked that color so he blend in with the mud?
Could be.
How do
Now
you
it
get
appears,
that paint color?
you know, I don't know, but you know what? It appears 79's running four-wheel drive. I thought four-wheel drive was illegal, but it looks like he's running it.
Oh.
I would have to look at the rules for sure, but
Whoa.
oh, he's gonna go over. He's gonna go over.
Oh, that was awesome.
You're gonna love a rollover, Holly. They're so much fun. There he goes. There he goes. Oh!
One more time.
419. They want him on his lid for some reason.
Seriously, they're all ganging up on him.
Yeah, it's. There he goes. They're gonna. Oh, I thought for sure 82 was gonna hit 19 and rolling. That's a nice hit. There we go. Oh, go, go, go! Don't let up. Oh man, he's gonna push him over. He's bound and determined.
He's trying.
Uh-oh. Here comes 79. Gonna finish the job.
79 is smoking.
Start lining up. Right there, brother. Lining up.
If I was 79, I'd come around and hit the front of that truck and finish the job.
Come on, Joe. Lay on it.
I think he's trying to.
Here we go. Gonna roll him over. Gonna roll him over. Oh, hit the wrong truck. Do it again.
What was that about?
Oh, it's gonna be at the. He's trying to get the other car off of him.
Why doesn't he hit him? Like on the bumper.
He's gonna have to hit the number 2 car to get him off, it looks like. Just like that. Now watch this. Oh, he's calling it. Something's happened.
Wait, why
Shut
are
it
they
down. I
calling
don't know.
that?
There's a fire or something. Oh, 79's on fire.
Oh.
You know, those officials, they put up with a lot of grief. They put up with a lot of name calling and a lot of fighting, but they're always there to help them guys out. I've officialed for a long time, and my hat's off to those guys.
And 31 here. I don't know that they are really too
They're
friendly.
buddies.
Oh, they are?
I think so.
He keeps hitting him though.
Now it's down to the money. Now they're not friends anymore. He's on fire, 79 is. I can see the fire.
Shut him down, guys. Shut him down again. Shut him down.
And I do believe that's 2 fires for 79, so his
2 fire rule.
yeah,
He's
he's
out.
done. His time will still keep going until it runs out.
How big is the purse on this truck one?
I don't know what the purse is, but now if is that 31 or 81, the brown truck, he could really lay waste to this guy if he wanted to be. Oh, he got out of the truck.
All right, after that, you can knock Casey loose.
Get everybody out of the arena.
Time on the clock. He's got a fresh 2
I hate that. I love the taste of fire extinguisher in the evenings.
We got the official out of the arena. Let's count them down. Let's hit them up in 3, 2, 1.
Watch out, number 2's gonna get it. Number 2's gonna get waylaid. And he's calling him on. Number 2's asking for it. Oh, he's stuck. He's hung up on him.
Oh no, Anthony got stuck on the bumper.
So now they're both stuck.
I know, that didn't work out so well.
But last hit.
So are all the other cars like just they cannot run anymore?
Yep, they're all out for one reason or another.
It's like all of a sudden they just are no one's going anymore.
Yep, they're done. Looks like number 34, I do believe, is the number of that truck. 34 or 31, I don't know.
Well, at first I thought it was 84, but I think that one is 31.
Last question. Yeah. You got first place. Yes, I did. What if we break you two free and have a little fun? I love that.
Okay, what they're gonna
I know
do?
Casey would love it.
What they're gonna do now is they're gonna pull a car in and disconnect them, get them unhooked, and let them run.
Is that okay? You guys want to see some more truck action? Let's make some noise! All right, bring me in a steer. These guys are ready to put on a show for you.
So they're gonna bring the skid steers in.
Of the barricade and let these two go at it for a few more shots. What do you think?
I think they should pull 21 off too. That poor
That's what I'm
guy.
talking about.
I know, he didn't stand a chance. They let him have it.
He's had no love today.
None.
All right, it's official. Anthony does have first place. He wants to play a little bit.
There is not a whole lot left of that truck,
No.
but it's still running fine.
Wow.
All right.
Now they're broke loose. I say they let the skid steer run with it.
Right.
Hurricane.
Here we go.
Let's cheer on the red, white, and blue with Casey.
There we go.
Come on, girls. Let's wait for the barricades to get back in place. From our friends at Cap Construction and Blue Line Rental with the big old Volvos putting in the barricade. Let's count them down in 3, 2, 1, hit 'em on.
I hope they don't get hung up again so quick.
I know, right? Here we
I had to
go.
say something, didn't I? I had to open my mouth. There it is.
Okay. There's so much hype build up.
I know it sounds morbid, but I hope one of these guys end up upside down.
Well, we got a lot of smoke on the scene. Or steam.
You see that? Number 2 called him on. He told him, let me have it. These guys love it. Oh, here we go. Here's a big hit. Here he goes. Ah, hung up again. Unhooked. That's good.
Oh, here we go. Battle of the fittest right here.
There they go, they're free again.
The number 2 doesn't have any steering to speak of. It's kind of hard to call 2 cars. Number 2 hit 31, 31 hit number 2.
So now, off topic just a little bit. After this one with the trucks, then we have the we have the grudge match.
Yeah, the grudge match is after this. And the grudge match is anybody that didn't place in a heat that can get their car running, they come back get a chance to go into the main event.
Oh, except no trucks.
Yeah, no trucks.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh, now 31.
There we go.
Oh, no.
That was a nice hit. Gonna give him another. Oh, he called it. And that is it for the truckie.
Oh, they called it. It's over?
It's all done.
Oh, okay.
Number 31 is the winner.
How I think number 2 gets the best sport award.
Hey, Johnny.
Yeah, no, he's a good guy.
I think he was in for a good time.
Mad Dog for trucks? I think we we should.
All right, so we got a break, and then we'll be back for the grudge match. Is that right?
Yep, that's right. Break, and then the grudge match coming up next.